Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about used car insurance. Used car insurance is auto insurance coverage for vehicles that are not purchased new from the manufacturer. In other words, it is normal car insurance but for a used car, which can sometimes be more difficult to insure than a brand new car, but will likely be less expensive to cover. There are some other key things to remember about used car insurance too. First, having a minimum coverage policy may make the most sense for a used car, especially for older used cars. One main benefit of a full coverage policy is getting a payout for your car's value if the vehicle is totaled or stolen. And with an older used car, the payout is likely not worth the added cost in monthly premiums. For similar reasons, certain types of optional coverage like gap insurance and car repair insurance are typically not worth the extra cost. Gap insurance and car repair insurance are only valid for a certain number of years, and may not even be available for used cars. It is a better idea to put that money toward an emergency fund so you'll have it available if something like an unexpected repair is needed. Next, while you can buy a used car from a private seller without insurance, you cannot legally drive a used car home without some type of coverage. If you have an existing car insurance policy for a different vehicle, it may have a grace period in which it will cover your newly purchased used car, giving you time to add the car to the policy or to get other insurance for it. Lastly, there are some tips you should keep in mind when shopping for insurance on a used car. You should remember to compare quotes to make sure you are getting a good deal and only get types of coverage you actually need. Additionally, looking for discounts can help keep your rates low. If your used car is especially old though, it may be worth considering specialty types of coverage like classic car insurance. Now that you have a better idea of what used car insurance is, it's time to start shopping for a policy. You can check out WalletHub's picks for the cheapest car insurance companies by clicking the button here.